West Side. Motherfuckers. Fuck is wrong with these niggas, man? Yeah, nigga. You know what time it is. Outlaw.
Pull the rag off the 6-4, hit the switch, show niggas how the shit go. The game is back, the aftermath chain is gone, the D's is chrome, the frame is black. Niggas thought I wasn't coming back. Look at me now, hopping out the same cherry 6-4 with the motherfucking top down. I'm the game, nigga. Call that bitch, she ain't home, she was game, nigga. Remember that Drake? You passed me the torch, I lit the chronic with it, now the world is my ashtray. Riding 3-wheel motion to the ass scrape, turn sunset into a motherfucking drag. It's a new day, and if you ever knew Trey, motherfucker, you would say I was the new Trey. Same Impala, different spokes, same chronic, just a different smoke.
Feel that shit,
I'm West
Bitch,
Coast,
you misdemeanor, I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli is back, so fuck them all.
West Coast,
Affiliation with Death Row. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause it's the West Coast.
Nigga, I'm West
Bitch,
Coast,
you misdemeanor, I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli is back, so fuck them all.
West Coast, G6 is red dot on the clock. Pop is back for hip hop. Nigga, I'm West Coast.
Gutter ways, my mentality is ghetto. A gorilla in this criminal war. We all rebels. Death before dishonor, but I bomb on the first. Niggas knew we came from murder. Pulling up in a hurt. West side was the war crowd, busting off frilly, screaming fuck. All y'all niggas is Swahili. Pistol black and fresh out of jail. I ain't going back. Release me to the care of my heartless strap. Say my name 3 times like Candyman. Bet I roll on your ass like an avalanche. So survivor, learn to get high and pull drive-bys. Murder my folks, can't control my nine. Give me love to my enemies, please. Bust ass motherfuckers trying to flee. Picture me letting this chump survive. Ran up on his ass when I don't die.
Nigga, I'm West Coast.
Bitch, you misdemeanor, I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli is back, so fuck them all.
West Coast,
Affiliation with Death Row. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause it's the West Coast.
Nigga, I'm West
Bitch,
Coast.
you misdemeanor, I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli is back, so fuck them all.
West Coast, G6 is red dot on the clock. Pop is back for hip hop. Nigga, I'm West Coast.
Lo and behold, he getting his dough. Got that presidential roadie flow, you niggas should know. Criticize me for the jewelry that I rock on my show, but watch the value of the dollar drop and gold explode. I got no time for these, I ain't tryna stand in line, homies. Think I owe them the world, but never did nothing for me. Talking under they breath to they bitch, just making her want me. See me and hit me with some fake shit like, hey Brody. Got enemies tryna kill me for the rep. Couple smart niggas think they playing chess, gon' go get Tony Montana at the lot with my bitch. Tell him bulletproof that and bulletproof this. Guns behind the AC, I'm stashed by crazy. You can look at me and tell I was a matchbox baby. I'm gang tight, so